The title for today's presentation is Unveiling the Symbiosis, Exploring the Connection Between Interior Design and Gardens in Modern Architecture. Hey there, design enthusiasts! Today, let's embark on a fascinating journey delving into the intricate relationship between interior design and gardens within the realm of modern architecture. Buckle up as we unravel the layers of this symbiotic connection that transcends aesthetics and dives deep into the core of functionality and holistic living. First, let's dive into the evolution of interior design and gardens, a historical perspective. To truly understand the current interplay between interior spaces and gardens, let's rewind a bit. Historically, gardens were considered outdoor sanctuaries detached from the living quarters. However, as architectural philosophies evolved, so did the perception of interior and exterior spaces. In the mid-20th century, visionaries like Frank Lloyd Wright began blurring the lines between the indoors and outdoors, laying the groundwork for a harmonious coexistence. Second, let's talk about the biophilic design, bridging nature and architecture. Fast forward to the present, and we find ourselves in the era of biophilic design, an approach that integrates natural elements into the built environment. This paradigm shift has revolutionized the relationship between interior spaces and gardens. Architects and interior designers now strive to create environments that not only showcase nature but actively engage with it. Imagine walking into a living room adorned with large windows that frame lush greenery, seamlessly merging the indoors with the outdoors. This intentional design isn't just about aesthetics. It's about fostering a sense of connection with nature within our living spaces. Third, never underestimate the psychology of greenery, which is nurturing well-being. Digging deeper into the connection between interior design and gardens, it's crucial to explore the psychological impact of greenery on our well-being. Studies consistently show that exposure to nature, even in the form of indoor plants, can reduce stress, increase productivity, and enhance overall happiness. Modern architects and interior designers are capitalizing on these findings, transforming homes and workplaces into havens that promote mental and physical health. Fourth, in any design process, we emphasize on a symphony of elements which are materials, textures, and colors. In the intricate dance between interior design and gardens, materials, textures, and colors play pivotal roles. Natural materials like wood and stone bridge the gap between indoor and outdoor spaces, creating a seamless transition. Textures inspired by the outdoors. Think plush carpets reminiscent of grass or textiles mimicking tree bark. Add layers of tactile richness. The color palette, often influenced by the surrounding flora, creates a cohesive and calming atmosphere. Fifth, always look for the innovative technologies that pave the way for green living. Modern architecture doesn't just stop at visual integration. It embraces innovative technologies to enhance the coexistence of interior spaces and gardens. Automated climate control, self-watering systems for indoor plants, and sustainable energy solutions contribute to a holistic, eco-friendly living experience. Lastly, predict the future landscape, where interior design meets biophilic innovation. As we gaze into the future, the connection between interior design and gardens is set to deepen. Architects and designers are pushing boundaries, exploring vertical gardens, rooftop oases, and even incorporating hydroponic systems directly into living spaces. What is the goal of the future landscape? It is to create environments that not only look stunning, but actively contribute to the well-being of their inhabitants. In conclusion, the marriage of interior design and gardens in modern architecture transcends mere aesthetics. It's a holistic approach that recognizes the profound impact of nature on our well-being and leverages innovative design principles to bring the outside in. So whether you're a design aficionado or someone looking to revamp your living space, consider the synergy between interiors and gardens, because in this dynamic relationship, beauty and functionality coexist in perfect harmony. Okay, interior and garden design enthusiasts, there you have it. Our deep dive into the connection between interior design and gardens in modern architecture. If you found this exploration as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired, keep exploring, and happy designing. Thank you.